My project is a collaboration with the SDA and a consortium of German partners, and we are aiming to deliver a counter-drone solution to the German Armed Forces and the Singapore Armed Forces. So the problem that we're trying to solve is the increasing threat of drone swarms, and the solution that we're offering is to use our own fleet of drones in order to counteract the drone swarm. So for my project, I have delivered and developed two software packages. One is the target interception package, and another one is the task assignment package. So the target interception package actually allows any drone platform to be converted into an agent and intercept and close up the distance of the interceptor to the target. And my task assignment package allows the swarm versus swarm capabilities, whereby it captures quantifiable measurements that depicts a swarm versus swarm scenario, and it makes use of optimization solvers to generate the most optimal assignment to allocate resources.